Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Grounding an aircraft or a fighter is done only when something unexpected happens, and one such incident has made South Korea ground their entire fleet of Lockheed Martin F 35A fighter jets. To be more precise, one of the F 35 fighters, which was taking part in a training flight, experienced issues with the avionics system, and due to which it was forced to land on its belly at the Season Air Base. As per the defense sources, it looks like the problem caused the fighter's landing gear to malfunction, due to which the fighter had to land on its belly. Even though the fighter landed on the runway using its belly, a fire engine sprayed a special foam on the runway to keep the jet from sustaining serious damage during the skid. The special foam also helped in preventing an explosion from the friction caused by the plane with the runway at such high speed. It is said that all systems had stopped working except the flight controls and the engine, due to which the pilot decided to attempt a belly landing instead of ejecting from the fighter. This is for the first time an F 35 fighter has done a belly landing. The Lockheed Martin team, along with South Korea's Air Force, will be investigating this incident since they have plans to acquire more such fighters from the United States. Obviously, this small issue might not affect the pending order, but it has to be investigated thoroughly to avoid such incidents in future. Even though the F 35 fighter is one of the most potent and agile fighters in the world, featuring stealth technology and advanced communications, these type of small issues would spoil its name, and the root cause has to be identified at the earliest. So that was a small video on an F-35A fighter of South Korean Air Force making belly landing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.